It broke! Oh my god, I broke it!
Hello there, Julian from JulianTechTM, and today I have a very special guest, Keisha.
Hi! I broke glass. Yeah.
So here's the backstory. I was scrolling on TikTok and then I saw this girl trying to open her case and
Careful. Ooh. Are you okay?
Julian here from the future, just want to share what I thought happened. After watching the slowed down video multiple times, I realized two things. One, the glass fell, and two, there were two audio cues. First audio cue when the glass fell, and second cue is when the glass broke. Furthermore, there's a video that J2Sense did where he dropped a tempered glass just an inch high and it had a short delay before it actually broke. So with all this evidence, I conclude that the glass broke because it dropped ever so slightly. The reason why the glass exploded was because tempered glass is made with tension, so any small breakage will result in an explosion of the glass. Back to the video.
I am Keisha and I am a Twitch streamer. Yay! And I have my chat with me right here, right now.
Backstory of why you open this is also you want to get into gaming, right?
Yeah,
That's why.
yeah.
What we're gonna do today is to fix your PC.
Yay!
Yay!
Okay, finally!
Okay,
Proper way of fixing the PC.
So the first thing we're gonna do is to power it up
Okay.
and put a monitor and see whether it runs.
Okay.
Okay. Why didn't it like run?
That's the thing I was trying to figure out. That's why I took out the glass panel in the first place.
So do you power it?
Yes.
Turn on?
Yes.
Put in the monitor?
Yes.
Where do you put your HDMI?
He thinks I don't know, okay? I'm not that noob. I know you think that I put it here. But I put it here.
Okay, okay.
I wasn't being honest. I put it here at first. But then my friend said to put it there. Yeah, I was sorry.
Turn it on.
Okay. It's not turning on.
It is.
It is?
Keisha, it's working. Eh?
How did it connect? Now I'm scared. What will you see on that thing? Oh
What
my.
do you have on your PC?
Oh no! Why is it all? I thought it wasn't working. Okay, I guess we can call it off today, right, guys?
Let's see what specs you have on this
Okay.
PC. i5-9400F. So it's actually not too bad.
I saw your face. He's like, GPU stands for
Graphic
Graphic Processing Unit.
Correct.
I did
You
my
have the
homework.
Zotac GeForce GTX 1050. Never mind, maybe we can upgrade. We'll ask Aftershock.
It's okay. It's okay. I'm not a heavy gamer, you know.
Yeah, exactly. So
Yeah, so it's fine.
Your CPU seems fine, but maybe we can upgrade your GPU. We'll ask Aftershock later.
It's okay.
But guess what?
What?
I got your replacement.
No, I don't want to look at the glass anymore, guys. Can we just leave it without the glass, guys? I don't know anymore. The shards bounced off my eye.
Yeah, oh, right.
Like,
No way.
yes. Okay, so if you zoom in the video, when it exploded, I literally shut my eyes right on time.
way.
So if I had just like slower reaction, just by a split second, I don't know what would have happened to my eye.
We at JulianTechTM, which is basically just me, like to do interesting things.
Oh no.
The reason why I got this glass for you, not to give to you,
Oh.
is to try to recreate what has happened
No!
in your TikTok.
I need to run away. Guys, can we got goggles? I'm scared.
So what we're gonna do is test it out, or rather recreate the glass breaking on the other side. So let's go. I'm quite nervous.
Same.
Yeah, I actually never done this before. So the thing is, you took out all
I
the
did.
screws, correct?
Yes. It didn't break.
It didn't break, exactly.
It did not break. It was a freak accident, guys. See?
Wait, one more time.
I think technology.
How do you break yours?
Technology just loves you. All this technology stuff, they love you and they hate me, and that's why it broke.
We're gonna try breaking this glass. This is about 1 inch. How do you break?
I don't know, guys, I'm done.
I thought it would break because like J2Sense tried it and it broke. There it goes.
One, two, three. Hey!
Yeah, so-
it's
so-
not me after all, Kaden. I don't need this. I don't need this anymore.
Okay, we're gonna stand aside.
Okay.
I'm gonna throw.
Okay, I want to try. I want to try this. I want to try this. Okay, this is gonna
From
be
here,
a
from here,
fun
from
game.
here.
A fun game,
Yeah.
guys. 1, 2, 3. Hey, I didn't even hit the glass. Don't laugh. Don't laugh. 1, 2.
Okay, let me try.
Oh, it broke. It brought back PTSD, guys.
I think the thing to learn from this is that there's nothing to really fear. You know, hey, don't put your hands. There's nothing to really fear. It's actually quite strong. I think you were just very unlucky. Yeah, let's go back to the area. The reason why we don't have the PC here because we're gonna change your case, right? Something that we're gonna change also. Your whole PC.
No.
Look behind.
What?
Yeah.
This is mine?
Yeah.
No.
Yeah.
That guys, that's mine. Now I'm gonna cry.
Sponsored by Aftershock. Thank you, Aftershock. Oh, by the way, I haven't talked about this area. This area is the forge.
God.
I'm talking here. Wow.
Aftershock. Thank you, Julian. Thank you.
Yeah, no worries. Don't thank me. Thank Aftershock. Yeah, Aftershock will sponsor you a brand new PC. One thing that's very cool is that this case is a very nice looking case. It's white.
I
There's,
thought it was just a thing. Where's the whole thing?
it's
Oh my
a
God.
white case. No glass.
No glass.
No glass.
No glass.
But even without the glass, it looks very nice. So yes, this video is sponsored by Aftershock.
Aftershock.
We are currently at the Aftershock showroom, and this particular area is the forge. What you can do, which is very interesting, is that if let's say you want to build your own PC with the help of Aftershock, but you just want to have hands-on, you can come here, request with them, and they will build with you.
Oh.
Yeah, so it's a service.
So it's very good for those people who are just trying to start.
yeah,
and
but then they're not quite
they're
sure,
not sure
or
how
they're
to-
very
yeah.
nervous, or they're scared to maybe like you.
Yeah. I should have come here earlier. What nice.
So let's build your new PC.
Let's go.
Okay, so we start with the motherboard.
Okay, how should I handle a motherboard when I open?
Yeah, I think this is fine.
Okay.
Just don't touch,
Don't touch
this
the-
area, the socket.
Yeah, I would think so. I was warned.
So what you're gonna do is install the CPU. This costs about $450.
For this small thing,
Yeah.
what is it in charge of doing?
A CPU basically handles a lot of problem solving. Example, you want to open up your browser, open up Word documents and all this. It's all about solving problems.
Right.
Okay. A GPU specifically solve graphic problems. So they do it very well with one task. So in a way, jack of all trades.
Master
and-
of all.
Yes. No. Jack of all trades.
Jack of all trades.
And then the GPU is master of one. So we need to find a triangle on the CPU and a triangle on the socket. Where is the triangle?
Then a triangle too.
Okay, and then for the CPU, do you see the triangle?
Then, yeah.
Okay, very good.
Yeah.
You got it, okay?
I got it, guys.
Okay.
I got it.
This metal piece, you're gonna push down, put it at the side, lift up.
Okay, gotcha. Now?
Yes. Wow!
Hey,
Expert!
Hey, expert.
Okay, I want you to lift.
this way?
No,
this
the other way. Yeah.
This way.
Yes. So what you see on the socket are gold pins. Okay?
Ooh.
If you bend one of it,
It'll
the whole
spoil.
thing can spoil. Yeah.
Okay,
so
I'm scared to do this part
very,
now.
very careful.
Okay.
Don't. Yeah.
I'm clumsy in general, so I'm just like.
How you're gonna pick it up is by the sides. Okay. You wanna sit it in. Okay.
Okay.
There's not supposed to be any force. Okay.
No force, just
yeah. It's not very hard, but this can be dangerous
Okay.
for the PC components. Okay.
Are you ready?
Yes.
Oh gosh. Okay. Oh my. I'm shaking already, you know. I don't know. I cannot. I'm shaking. Okay,
Can. Don't worry. Just drop it in.
I'm shaking. My hands are shaking,
It's
please.
okay. Drop it in.
Okay.
Correct.
I did it. I
Okay.
did it. Okay. Okay. Okay.
You're gonna push this down, and pull this down
And then
back
lock
to the
it back
notch.
in. Okay.
Yeah, lock it
Guys,
back.
we're gonna try it again. Ready? It broke! Oh my god, I broke it!
That's what I always love because this is normal and
Oh my
usually
god, you stole! I was gonna cry, you know. I was like, Aftershock really damn nice. After that, I broke it. I don't know what to say.
you're not the first one, okay? So don't worry, it's fun.
Then how is it spoiled?
Go. Add it in. No, it's not spoiled.
Okay.
Yeah. It's supposed to happen.
Oh,
Supposed to happen.
so you're a trickster lah.
No, not trickster lah. It's just fun,
Trickster
fun to see people like panic.
Okay.
Force.
I'm so scared right now. I really don't want to force it down.
Correct.
Oh, it's not going down. Ow. Oh. Yeah. Yes.
Very nice.
I got it.
You installed the CPU.
I got it. Julian is it's really something, man.
Okay, next thing we want to add, you can choose. We're gonna add both anyway, but it's for you to choose which one you want to add first.
I feel this one. This one looks more fun. So let's go with that one.
So we're gonna add the RAM.
Okay.
Crass XRGB 2x16 GB of 3600 megahertz. Normally you only get 16. I requested 32 for you because you want to start streaming. So with better RAM, right, you can open more Google Chrome tabs.
Oh.
You think about it, you need to open your Twitch, you need to
And
open
then
your
open my YouTube, and then,
OBS,
OBS,
your chat,
Streamlabs.
and all this kind of thing.
Yes.
So it's good to have more RAM. You see the notch here? Just make sure it aligns with this.
Okay.
Okay. So what you're gonna do, you align. So if, let's say this is the way you put it in.
Yeah.
And so you put it in. So with equal pressure, press down with your thumb. Try not to wiggle, so push it straight down. Okay? And then you hear 2 clicks.
I kind of felt it. Like a
Yeah.
Yeah.
It kind of, yeah. So,
1, 2. Okay. Yeah, I felt it. Like it went down.
by right, there's supposed to be a
A
click.
click sound.
Yeah. We are going to install for you the Lexa NM620 M.2 PCIe Gen 3 NVMe SSD. Here, this one. So this one is very interesting. There's a heatsink on top. So I want you to unscrew these 3 screws.
Ooh, beautiful.
So you want to add it in a 45-degree angle.
Okay.
You need to press in.
in. Okay.
Okay.
Let go.
Let go. Sweet. Case.
Ding ding ding.
I never used this case before. This is the what is this?
Height. Experience play.
Revolt 3 Premium ITX case. I gotta say, this case is damn chill.
Oh, but this
wow.
is beautiful, guys. Look.
Oh wow.
Look at that.
Wow, you got handle
Hey.
Holy crap.
Guys, that's a
It is heavy.
There's a
it is heavy.
handle. Wow.
And if you drop it, nothing will break.
Nice try,
just
Julian.
dance.
Nice try, Julian.
AIO WaterCooling.
Ooh, the cooling, guys. This is the exciting part. I like the cooling.
You got thermal paste or is it here? Okay, I saw it. Yeah.
This one?
Yes.
Thermal.
Oh, why you know? Wow.
Because it says there thermal paste.
Okay, I didn't know that. Usually they don't.
Just curious, guys. What's in thermal paste? Like, what is it?
Okay, so the reason for a CPU cooler is to cool your CPU, right?
Yeah.
You can see there's a copper base below.
Yeah.
Okay, and if let's say there's no thermal paste in between the CPU and the copper base, you can't really transfer heat because there's a lot of like gaps in between, you know, when metal and metal. So you need a paste to fill in the gaps to transfer the heat
How do you?
from
Oh, okay.
CPU
To
cooler. Yeah. So the first thing I want you to do is to add the thermal paste.
wait. Fun fact: toothpaste works as a budget thermal paste. Is that true? No, absolutely not.
So actually someone has done it and your PC will run for like a week or 2.
And then that's it.
And then it will heat up because toothpaste will evaporate.
Is there a troll in chat that said that? Oh my god! Stop trolling, guys. So this way, right? This way and this way.
Yes.
Okay.
Good, okay. Yeah, correct. Move. Stop.
Then here.
Yeah, less pressure now. Less pressure.
pressure.
Okay, go. Stop. A bit too much on the first one,
Oh
but
dear.
it's fine.
Oh dear.
It's it won't kill it. Pass me first.
I feel like the surgeon. He's a surgeon, and I'm like the. I'm the student as an intern. What is it? Give me the
Scalpel.
scalpel, please.
After we build this PC, we're gonna send it to Aftershock QC, and then they will do the whole support for you.
Oh.
So next time your PC spoil, right, you don't need to open.
What do you mean? I no need
You
to
don't
open.
Yeah,
anything.
you can bring it to Aftershock, and they will
That's a fantastic idea,
support
guys.
for you. You know.
I have support, and I don't have to break glass no more.
You can hold it by the CPU cooler.
Here?
with one hand. Yes.
Here?
Yes.
Like this?
Yes. Correct. You
Alright.
just need to
That's it?
adjust. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, adjust a bit.
No, guys, not Tinder, not Coffee Meets Bagel. It was an Instagram exchange.
It's like I saw her on the TikToks, and I go, wow, that was so beautiful. How the glass break.
Wow, thanks. The chillest ever. Wow, she's
I've
so
never seen anything like it.
Does not look at girl, look at the computer.
So usually when I build with guests, right, I do talk about them, about their life. So one other thing that you actually do is you're featured very often on the Just Saying podcast.
Not
correct?
featured, I'm a cast.
Cast.
I'm a cast member of it, yeah.
And one of the most popular podcasts is the first episode.
Yes.
Yes, which is about your ex.
Proposing.
Proposing. From what I know, you were 19, right?
Yeah.
And what did he do? You don't need to go in detail because it's already online.
So on my birthday, he basically proposed to me. And I was 19. Mind you, I was 19. I mean, like, okay, some people do get married young.
Yeah.
But we just met.
Right.
We just met.
Like what I mean by just met.
Like, we were like, what, 3 months, 4 months into
Wow.
dating? Not very.
If you want to know more about the details, go and watch the podcast. Basically, he was a Christian and he...
I guess, yeah, in a way, they do get married younger because, like.
Yeah, and I hear some details in the...
Okay, continue building.
Yeah, that one you can search yourself. Okay, this is tech. Yeah, but that
This clickbait.
That was damn interesting though.
Really?
That is damn interesting. I'm like, wow. After this, I did cable management poorly and added in the Gigabyte RTX 3060 Ti. For full PC specification, go to the description below. I mean, I sped this up because there's, you know lah, cable management can be quite some time. Okay, we're back. Everything is connected. So
Okay.
I want you to do the honors and let's see
I'll
whether
do the
it
honors,
works.
guys. Dun, 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 dun. Moment of truth. Ooh!
Oh, it's running. There's no RGB, which is fine.
That's fine.
We have posts. We have posts. We did it.
We did it! We did it!
So we have the M.2 and the SATA. CPU temps are running okay. Not too bad. We know the GPU is working because we plugged it to the GPU and we are posting. If we
Yeah.
don't post, the GPU just doesn't work. Your 32 gigs of RAM, it's all good. So we're gonna turn on XMP. The thing is, usually we will install Windows and then that's where you can use your PC. Now you can't run it, but that's why we have the Aftershock QC to
do that
to
for
do that.
you.
Yes. Keisha,
Yes.
how do you feel about your first building experience?
I feel very proud of myself because I know I did like parts of it. So I feel accomplished. It's so pretty and I just feel like it's not as hard as it looks. So
Like-
I mean, it seems very daunting at the start, but I guess like once you actually have guidance from people, it's not that hard.
A lot of people feel the same way because if you realize, right, a lot of the things you install, like
Yeah.
a lot of the components, is only one way.
Yeah.
If you're forcing anything in, something is wrong. We are done with the build. I hope this has been a great experience for you.
It has. Thank you so
Yeah.
much. I really enjoyed it. Yeah.
Hopefully this video does great and then maybe can help you set up your...
My PC
Yeah.
and everything in my house.
and make it really like streamer.
That'll be a challenge because my PC setup is going to be my dining room.
Oh, huh?
Yeah, so
That'll
it's
be
gonna be a
interesting.
challenge, right?
Yeah,
That would be a challenge.
That'll be interesting.
A dining table,
Comment, like this video if you want to see it.
a PC
about
streamer house thing.
Everyone eat like that.
Don't care.
Oh, don't
Just
care.
eat.
It's like, hey, I'm
Sorry.
making money, so
Mind your own business and eat your food.
yeah. I have to really thank Aftershock
Yeah.
because it's 11.
And it's a Saturday.
It's 11:40 on a Saturday, and there
I'm
is
sorry.
4 people behind the camera.
Okay, how about
from
this?
Aftershock.
I'll get you guys food after this. I'm Keisha and I'm done.
And I'm not, so let's go to the QC. So I wanted to redo my cable management another day, but to my surprise, Aftershock did it before I managed to touch the PC. And they also installed Windows and did a quality check. I have to add, I'm super grateful for Aftershock's support for this video because most of the time building is the easy part, but a few years down the road, support will be an issue, so having Aftershock to help out with support really helps me create content for you guys. So the things that will be checked in the testing bay are things like cable management, making sure all the ports like USB are working, installing Windows, and also making sure the PC runs up to standard. Once that's done, then it will go to delivery. So I hope that Keisha gets her PC well and fantastic. I don't know what good words are there. And I hope you enjoyed this video, and I am done.